My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, I'm telling you, you don't need this tool. This is a Harbor Freight power brake bleeder tool. You don't need this thing. Basically, the way it works is you hook your air line up to here, you hook this up to your bleeder screw, you pull the handle, it sucks from here into here using a Venturi effect, kind of like your carburetor, and it sucks all the air out, sucks some fluid out, and it bleeds your brakes. While it does do that, it does work, it's not complete junk or anything like that, you don't need to spend the money on this. I bought it kind of as a last-ditch effort, and then bleeding wasn't even my problem. So this thing doesn't do any better than normal gravity bleeding. Let me show you how to gravity bleed. You can do that by yourself. You don't need a friend or anything. By far, the best way to bleed your brakes by yourself. I'm going to show you guys on the bench. There's not really a lot to see under the car, so I'm just going to explain it all up here. And as a bonus, this bleeder screw is rusted on here, so I'm going to show you how to break that loose. When I started out, especially on wheel cylinders, they're really small bleeder screws. Those break off really easily if you don't know what you're doing. I broke a ton of them when I didn't know anything and was just starting out. I'd always have to replace the wheel cylinder. It sucked. I'm going to show you how to break them loose every time. So first tip, put some penetrant on there. That's kind of self-explanatory. Put a little bit on there. And then the second tip is take a socket, put it over there, and hit it with a hammer. Hit it like you mean it. What that's going to do is it's going to break all the rust around the bleeder screw, and it's going to come out. So this will also work on brake lines, but the only problem is you have to cut the brake line to be able to do it. But sometimes you do that to be able to reuse the caliper or whatever. You know, it works good for those kind of situations too, but the bleeder screws works great. So if we put our socket on here, or socket wrench, give it a tap, comes right out every time. Well, maybe not every time, but 95% of the time it'll come out. So that's a great trick. And then let me show you how to gravity bleed, or I'll explain it, I guess. So if you have, let's say your brakes work perfectly fine, you got a caliper that sticks on one side or something like that, so you're putting a new caliper on, you already had fluid in the system. If you take your caliper off, put the new one on in a timely manner before the brake fluid runs all the way out, you can just loosen this screw, crack it loose, fill up your reservoir, and have a beer or two. And by the time you have a beer or two and that reservoir stays full, you let some run through, it'll be bled. Here's another tip. Your bleeder screw needs to be at the top. If it's not at the top, you're never gonna bleed it. So that's another thing to watch out for. Sometimes you can swap calipers left to right and the screw will be on the bottom. Now, let's say you just totally redid the whole brake system, new lines, new everything, there's nothing in there. What you're going to want to do is fill up the reservoir, crack this open, but if you crack it and wait, nothing's going to happen. So what you actually want to do is pump the pedal slowly a few times until you get a little bit of fluid out of there. Watch your reservoir. Once you get fluid coming out of here, then you can just let it gravity bleed, have a couple beers, tighten this up, and it should be good to go. I've been doing that for years. I never have anyone to help me with that kind of stuff, and it always works. The pedal is rock hard and fantastic. So you don't need this guy. He might be nice to have. You could do this a little bit faster with this, but you don't need to shell out the money to bleed your brakes. I hope you guys enjoyed that and got a tip or two out of that, learned a little something. I make videos like this every single day. I'm trying to make a video every day to grow my channel, and then my goal is to make videos until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. So I think that'll be a fun way to grow the channel. I'd love to meet Cleetus, and I have a cool project to bring there. Here's a video on why I want to meet them in more detail. Please watch that. And then check out my other videos. I build cool stuff. I'm giving cool tips right now and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.